Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So first I want to shout out Status Audio for sending me over their latest earbuds. And these are the IEM 2X micro earbuds. That's a lot to take in. Ultimately, you're getting full sound from these little compact earbuds. Now they are 3.5 millimeters, you can see, and they sound great when plugging them into most of my phones that have a high quality DAC. I also tried it on the Galaxy Note 9 and it sounded fantastic. But I suggest that if you have a phone with a high quality DAC, you definitely want to try it on there. You're going to get some full sound, rich sound, bass, treble, highs, mids, all there. Now if you're wondering why they call them IEM micro buds, well, each bud has one dynamic driver and one balanced armature driver. So they're basically saying this is IEM technology. And well, I don't know much about that, but I can tell you they sound awesome. So the links are down below if you decide to check them out. If you're an audiophile, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I'm gonna recommend these for you because I normally use my $300 Sony headphones, which are 3.5 millimeter only, and they sound awesome. Now, while these might not be on par with those, these are only 49 bucks. And you might say that they are on par depending on what headphones you currently use. So the IEM earbuds from Status Audio, they are definitely one of the best I've heard.